Are you searching for the best diesel heater? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best diesel heater in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR 5K watt car heater 12-volt diesel air heater with LCD switched silencer features and details. Easy installation, free solution. Enjoy efficient heating with our diesel heater all-in-one that requires no installation, making it perfect for outdoor adventures like camping. Heater power 5 kilowatts, rated voltage 12 volts. Applicable range 161 to 250 feet, throws to 15-20 miles more too. Within just 10 minutes, our innovative sandblasting aluminum heat exchanger ensures rapid and efficient heat transfer, ensuring a comfortable temperature inside your vehicle, boat, or cabin. Low energy consumption and high output. Save on fuel costs with VEVOR diesel heater's precision low-noise fuel pump, consuming around 1 gallon per night and reducing fuel consumption to a range of 0.16 L.52 litres per hour. With a 5-lit 1.3 gal large capacity fuel tank, the diesel air heater can provide continuous heat for up to 10 hours, maximizing fuel efficiency and minimizing energy waste. Intelligent dual control. Take control of your heating experience with our 32 feet long distance remote control and LCD. Preheat your vehicle from outside, keep the interior warm, preheat the engine, and prevent window freezing. And the large LCD allows you to get a clear view of your heater's status. The temperature can be adjusted from 46 degrees Fahrenheit 6.8 degrees Fahrenheit 8 degrees 36, catering to your specific needs.